Welcome to Ask and Learn.
All right, so we want to show, the absolute value of f of x is going to be less than some constant times g of x, and in this case, that is just x for this particular problem. Okay, and our f of x is going to be equal to x squared plus 1 over x plus 1. So first, we're just going to do some long division, right? So take a look at this, another form. So we consider what does it look like when we divide x squared plus 1 by x plus 1. Okay, well, we get an x on top. We minus x squared minus x here. We get a minus 1. Get negative x plus 1. So we take x plus 1 here, and that gives us a 2. Okay, so the quotient when is then x minus 1 with remainder 2. And so we can rewrite this fraction as being x minus 1 plus 2 over x plus 1. Okay, so let's just get to a new page with that new form. Right, so that again was, we have our x minus 1 plus the remainder, which is 2 over x plus 1. We always have the property that x minus 1 is less than x. Right, so x minus 1 is guaranteed to be less than x. And we also know that 1 over x plus 1 is less than 1 for whenever x is greater than 0. Okay, so for convenience sake, when we're looking at the properties of the big O, right, let's just let x be greater than 2, or this is be our k value. And there are other values of k you could choose, which would give you a different value of c. So it's one of those tricky ones with more than one correct answer. We go ahead and solve here. So the absolute value of f of x is going to be equal to the absolute value of x minus 1 plus 2 over x plus 1. Okay, so that's going to be greater than or equal to x minus 1, the absolute value, plus the absolute value of 2 over x plus 1. And this is equivalent to, without the absolute values, right? So we no longer need those, just based on the state of the equation and what we've chosen for k. But this is less than x plus 2. Okay, because we know that x minus 1 is less than x. And we know that 2 over x plus 1 must be less than 2. So powers combined must be less than x plus 2. And since x is greater than 2, this is going to be equal to, or sorry, less than x plus x. Okay, which is 2x, and that gives us a c value of 2. Okay, so with c equals 2, then we have, and k equals 2, then we get f of x being equal to big O of x.